Hello everyone, this is going to be a super fast video. I am on my way to get a haircut and I have about 20 minutes. You can tell I just woke up, I'm exhausted. I had to take down my backdrop for now because we're moving, so sorry, but I'm going to just try to get going real quick. This is just going to be a 3-product video. So I'm taking 3 of my Farmasi products and that's what I'm going to use. So let's get started with that look. I feel so tired this morning. But what's new, right? Okay, so I'm gonna use the CC cream. I almost always have it under whatever I'm wearing. So even if I have another foundation on, a lot of times I'll use CC just because of all the redness that I've got in my face now. I want to tone it down. And so it's a color corrector and that's what it does. So that's why I like it so much under my other makeup too. You don't necessarily need both. Like you can just do one of our foundations and it's amazing. But if you need color correcting, I definitely suggest trying the CC cream. And I can send you a sample if necessary of the different shades that are available. So I'm going to take a little bit more of that CC cream and I'm just gonna wipe the top of my tube with it. And that's what I'm gonna use for my concealer under my eyes. I'm just gonna tap my fingers together and the warmth's gonna help me smooth it out. And I'm gonna just barely put any up under here. And then I'm gonna take a brush. Oh, my brushes. I've moved them. I hate when I do that. I'm actually gonna take a concealer brush. Let me get my mirror here. And just make sure that's kind of patted in. So I'm just gonna touch that little red spot and I'm gonna get a little bit more on my nose because my nose seems to just be super red lately, but also it seems to just melt off anything I put on it. So there we go, just an even coverage. Now, well, let's go in with the 3-in-1 face palette. And we're gonna use this for the majority of the look for today. So all I'm gonna do is take a fluffy brush and you can use the Farmasi pencil brush like this. You know, it's my favorite. Let's go ahead and go in with that actually. And I'm just gonna take the brown in the 3-in-1 face palette as my crease color and quickly swipe it on in there like a windshield wiper. And it's just a wonderful brown. Like it is just the perfect soft brown. So I'm bringing it into the corner a little bit. All right, then I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of make sure that this top part's blended. And then I'm going back in with that pencil brush and I'm gonna use the highlighter color on this section here. I'm just kind of patting it on. I'm not really rubbing it. Doesn't matter how you apply it, but it's just gonna go all over the lid. And then a little here at the brow bone. Okay, and if you would like to, you can take a liner brush and tap it into that brown and bring it up under the eye as a little bit of liner. So it's just soft and easy. And then we're gonna go in with our, I just laid it down. Where did I put it? Oh, Zen mascara. This is just a great everyday mascara. So that's all I'm doing. I'm not doing like double coats or really just anything major. All right, now let's go in with that same 3-in-1 face palette. A little bit of pink. Get some blush. Make it look like I got some life in my cheeks because I'm feeling rough. This moving stuff is just for the birds. I was never gonna move from this house. So being forced out of it, it's making me a little edgy since I built it. All right, and so I'm just taking a blender brush and just making sure that's really smooth and not looking like I've got, you know, too much on. And then lastly, we're gonna take a little bit of that same pinkish color and I'm gonna put it on my lips. And let's see how this looks. No, you know how I like plumper. So I would probably personally use a fourth product and I'd put on plumper or gloss of some kind. I just don't like super dry lips, but I also need to get something up here. Give myself a little definition. So 3 products, entire face. Hope you liked it. Hope you thought it was easy. And I hope you go get that 3-in-1 face palette and some mascara and some CC cream because you will love it if you try it. All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you as always for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and go join us at the group.